We're very different from many of our competitors. From the beginning of the relationship, we really work with IT strategy, understanding what our clients' business goals are and wrapping technology around that.
Our clients come to Xamin. Not only do we help with cybersecurity, but to keep their solutions and their networks up and running so people can do their jobs day to day and not have to worry about their IT infrastructure.
Xamin being a SOC certified organization, it tells our customers that we're willing to subject ourselves to the same level of scrutiny, to the same annual audit. That's the lifeblood of what we do. We protect data, we protect the people who have access to that data. We've been in operation for 20 years, and we're happy to say that we have not had a customer that has been breached under our watch.
We've embraced both the mobile workforce and cloud computing, and as those technologies matured, we've kind of benefited with maturing with it. So it positions us as experts not only in the technology, but in the adoption process of the technology.
We've built the company around a philosophy of accountability and efficiency. And those attributes, they bleed straight through to how we service our customers.
We love what we do, we love sharing what we do with others, and we try to find partners that appreciate IT as much as we enjoy doing it. And so we try to bring that passion to our clients each and every day.
Great collaboration, good camaraderie. When you have that type of thing, I think as a culture, a lot of that stuff automatically reflects on the work that you do. Our client success is our success.